Hey, what's up? So actually, yesterday I moved into my permanent place here. I'm sharing my flat with three other people. It's not a flat; it's an accommodation, but like four of us have a common kitchen. So today I just went to a shopping market, market, and I bought the basic necessities. And thank God I can cook. Okay, so yeah, actually, it was too stressful. Okay, like going for the first time and not a lot of symbols that can help you over there. So I just had to observe and copy. But anyway, I managed to get milk, eggs. What are these? Mixed herbs, sugar, and a little other things. Actually, it's quite cheap. Like so much stuff just for £4. I'm still not used to the new currency actually. Like it's not a new currency, but it's new for me, to me. So anyway, so I'm making myself an omelette. Oh yeah, bread also. I got. Actually, this video or YouTube video, whatever this will turn out to be, is just a reminder to myself actually that it was difficult in the beginning. And once when I get used to this place, I should just remember, it was not easy earlier because it was not. But I'm telling you, dude, like life skills like cooking and proficiency in the language or just observation skills, they count to big things in the future. Hey, buddy. Alright. Huh? Oh, by the way, I was on space over there. So I just put my milk here. Ishan. Will. What? Will? Yeah. Oh, will to live. I like that. Yeah. Oh, good. So I'm just taking the top one. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. Alright. See you around. Oh.
It bores me.
Which movie is this?
Pardon?
Which movie?
Peaky Blinders.
Oh, Peaky Blinders. I still
Yeah.
haven't finished it. Beautiful show, right?
Yeah, really.
Which
good.
season are you on?
5.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm just on second.
I'm very, very, very bad hangover.
Oh.
Very bad hangover.
You also a student?
Yeah.
Which course?
Spanish and Italian.
Oh, good. I'm doing international business management.
Nice.
Yeah.
We've actually
Yep.
2 minutes.
So that was my flatmate. Okay, I haven't met him since when I moved here. I moved here yesterday, right? So he wasn't there when I was there, and today we just met for the first time. So his name is Will, and he's doing a course in French and Italian language. Maybe he's just doing a post graduation. I think I didn't ask so much. Okay, listen. So the theme of these videos is for me to force myself to socialize, because I don't like to socialize at all. And as long as I'm in UK, like I moved here like 2 weeks ago and I had to quarantine myself. So yesterday actually my quarantine was over and I was able to move to this permanent place. And I'm trying to socialize as much as I can, because as an introvert or as an antisocial person, I can tell like it's difficult to push yourself to do that. You get really accustomed and you get really comfortable with your own self. But humans are social animals, and even if you do love your company, you need to have a balance of both, right? You need to have a few friends, and you should force yourself to go out and meet them sometime, even though you're too cautious and you love your own company as well. So that's what I'm trying to do. Because otherwise, what's the purpose of coming, outside your place, like going abroad or just going outside? That is so that we can learn some new things. By the way, if I'm not audible, then I messed this video up, okay? I can see your energy. But really calm place, like I love this place. So I'm in Sheffield right now, Sheffield, UK, and really, really calm place. Like in comparison to India, definitely yes. Like people are less, population is less. Like the main thing is population density. Like how many people are there in a certain space? So let's just say that population density of 1 kilometer square in India is average of like 500 to 600 people average, because it least it can go to 30-40, which is in Kerala or the northeast states, and maximum it can go to around 1000, which is in Delhi or UP. That is the northern side of India. It's really unevenly distributed. So yeah, by the way, I'll show you the omelette, okay? I think like I'm too fond of my own cooking. So this is the omelette. So these things are cheese, okay? Cheese pieces, and they're just melting over there. And this is what it looks from behind. I think it's a decent omelette, yes. So I did put a little milk in the egg batter because it makes it fluffy. Oh fuck! sorry about that. Actually, I'm being really cautious about all this, okay? Like, I know how to cook nicely. Like, even in India, I used to cook a lot for myself because I love my own cooking, Everyone has a taste. And when you grasp your own taste, then you just love your own cooking. It's so nice and satisfying. Like, my mom cooks crazy, yes, can't deny that. And some places, when I go outside, of course, they are really, really good. But your own cooking has a sense of comfort to it, okay? And that develops over time. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, this was just an introductory video to show who I am. I'm Ishant Sahu. I'm from India, New Delhi, and currently I'm in Sheffield. I'm pursuing my master's course here, and I'm just trying to get a hold of this new life that I'm actually opting for, because yeah, that's what we're doing, right? We opted for this. I made some decisions which led me to this. That's what happens to everyone. Like everyone makes some decisions which leads them to a certain point, and that's what we want to. So like if I want to be an engineer or something, I'll take some decisions and I'll take some steps. I'll make decisions and take steps to reach that goal. So we have that thing in mind, right? So my aim was just to get out of my comfort zone, because right now I miss my home like crazy, because I have a dog over there and I'm really in good terms with my family for now. So I'm missing it. No, it's okay. 3 seconds. You play some games? Any video games?
No, not really.
No? Okay.
Look at your cousin.
I like football
He's in
and
trouble.
Who
music.
doesn't like football? Especially in
He
UK.
loves you. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Almost broken.
Right. See you in a bit.
See you. So I burned my omelette. I don't know, like, why I get so conscious around people. Okay, anyway, I'll see you later, maybe. And yeah, so I'm Ishant, and nice to meet you guys. Maybe I'll be more active on YouTube. Actually, I wanted to start with gaming, okay? Like, I just want to do that. I play a lot of games. But my laptop is just not strong enough for me to do all that. But it will be eventually. Eventually, I'll get a really nice laptop and I'll be able to stream or post videos from, me playing those games and all. Right now, I'll just say bye. Take care, okay? See you guys.